Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be changing the air filter in 2013 Nissan Note. Pretty straightforward. We start off, there are two clips on either side of the air cleaner box. It might be easier to start off with removing this little guy here. Just a little rubber grommet here. Just twist, comes right out, set it to the side. Okay, then we can remove these two clips. There are also two rubber grommets here that hold it in place. Just want to pop it up like that, and then you just kind of wiggle it free like that. Okay, so it's just a matter of removing this. Okay, can be a little problematic. Okay, awesome. As we can see, it's about that time. And this is the new one. Okay, now what I want to do is to show you something. Now, do you see this little tab? It's there for a reason. Now, if we look inside the air cleaner box, okay, let me see if I can bring it up. Okay, here we go. There is a little recess here. Okay, so that tab is gonna fit in there. Okay, so here we have it. We turn it this way, see the tab there, and it goes into the box this way. Okay, be sure that it's seated properly. You don't want anything sticking out. You want everything to sit nice and flush. Okay, now there's a tendency for one of the lips to kind of pop up. Just ensure, okay, that it's nicely tucked inside the housing. Okay, okay. So there we have it. Took a bit of effort, but we're good. Okay, all around, nice and properly seated. Okay, here we go. Now, this is the hard part, I will tell you. Okay. So this does have a bit of give, and we're going to need that give. So now, here we go. So there are actually three tabs here, one here, one here, and one here, and they go into three holes here. Okay, so you want to aim for that. It's going to be a little tricky, so I aim for the grommets, align them up. I don't necessarily want to push them in just yet until we have everything nice and lined up. And then what we can do, that one is lined up, that one is lined up. Right, perfect. Remember, this air cleaner is going to be a little tight because it's new. All right, and then we just pop that on, pop that on. Align the grommet. Oops, it's upside down, my bad. Okay, align the grommet. Okay, and we twist, pop it in place. Okay, all right, that's it, guys. Pretty easy. All right, and as usual, if you have any questions about what's going on here, be sure to drop your question in the comment section below. And as usual, like, share, subscribe. See you guys soon.